This time we will show you how to replace the air quality sensor or the G238 sensor on Volkswagen, Skoda, Audi and Seat. This G238 sensor is part of the climatronic system and has the role of starting air recirculation that enters the car from the outside, depending on the level of pollution in the outside air. For example, when the outdoor air quality drops below a certain level, and this happens when you are in a traffic jam or in an underground parking, the climatronic system automatically activates the air recirculation from inside the car. This way the climatronic system maintains the air quality in the car. So take care of your health and change it on time. You need to replace this G238 sensor only if you have the following fault code: 01592 air quality sensor, G238. On right-hand drive cars, the air quality sensor is mounted on the left side of the car, in the same position. 1. Open the bonnet and remove those two clamps from that plastic part on the right side. Two. Remove the rubber from the plastic part. Three. Raise that plastic to reach the air quality sensor. Four. Disconnect the plug from the air quality sensor. Five. Remove the sensor using a flat blade screwdriver. The air quality sensor can be identified after the serial number 5K090769. You can find air quality sensor for Volkswagen, Skoda, Seat and Audi in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.